Hi, Hola, Bonjour, Privet, Salaam. Welcome to Blueprint Bazaar. Customer wanted a model of a CNC machine that makes jewelry. The initial dimensions of the base frame were provided by the customer, after which new components and details were added. The first detail was that the vertical spindle mount needed to be adjustable, in that it can be bolted onto the main frame at different levels. Secondly, the vertical spindle is capable of moving up and down via a stepper motor. The stepper motor is coupled with the vertical spindle via rack and pinion. Furthermore, the second spindle is mounted onto a counterweighted frame that is capable of rotating, allowing machining from the side. This horizontal spindle is equipped with a built-in piston that allows it to engage and disengage from the workpiece. Thirdly, the weighted frame rotation is achieved by another stepper motor, which is mounted alongside the workbed. Instead of directly gearing the motor to the frame, a belt and pulley system is used, as it allows the gearing ratios to be changed as needed by simply swapping the pulleys. For this reason, the pulleys are mounted onto the axles with bolts. Same bolts are used for mounting the vertical spindle mount to save cost. Lastly, the workbed is movable in X and Z axis, as it consists of two slabs that move on rails over the previous one. The slabs ride on worm gears that sit partially on the bottom slab while moving the one on top of it. The bottom of the slab is threaded the same as the worm gear, so as to achieve smooth motion for precise positioning. Careful consideration is placed while designing components so as to make the process of assembly or repair simple and straightforward, as certain times screws are placed in tight spaces where the whole machine has to be taken apart to access them. Specific materials are assigned to specific parts of the machine as instructed by the customer. The collection tray has 40-degree incline to prevent workpieces from falling off as they pile up in the tray, along with the mounting point for the horizontal spindle. Fillies are added to improve the appearance and aesthetics of the machine.